We're here in Gina's room, and she's going to be doing Sculptra on my temples today. They're kind of getting hollowed out. And Gina, do you want to tell us a little bit about what Sculptra is and what it can do?
Yeah, so it's basically a product that stimulates your own collagen. So it does take time. Recommended protocol treatments can be anywhere from 2 to 4 treatments, about 6 weeks apart, just depending on age, and there's other factors, and just also how you stimulate on your own. But common areas is the temples, mid-lateral cheeks, and even around jawline and the lateral part of the jawline is areas really good for overall balance. And her and I have talked about this for a while, and so just some of the areas that bother her is just as she starts to get some of the nasolabial fold, a little bit around the corners of the mouth, or any sagginess here. That has a lot to do with the hollowness you're getting all through this segment here. So replenishing that, which she will be doing on her own. This is just a stimulant. We inject it today and then we wait basically. So 6 weeks later we'll evaluate again and possibly inject some more until she gets to her fullness that she's wanting to be at. And then as this happens, you'll start to see these things start to tighten and pull back because they are now filled. And then relax. And then really try to don't clench. Okay. Mm-hmm. Do that again. And then relax.
That does feel funny.
Like pressure.
Mm-hmm.